Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to see the bill-wise detailed report in your Tally ERP9 software for a particular group or for a particular ledger. I will also show you what are the benefits of viewing the bill-wise detailed report for a particular group or a particular ledger. But before discussing, I am just requesting that if you have not subscribed our channel Knowledge Ki Pathshala, then please subscribe our channel. I am also requesting that please share our video as well as our YouTube channel to your friends and your colleagues. We are step by step adding some more learning content in our YouTube channel. Let us start with a discussion. Please see this video till end as we are discussing the detailed features of bill-wise report in Tally ERP9 software as well as the benefits of the same. Let us start with a discussion. For the purpose of viewing the bill-wise report, you have to just press F11 from your keyboard or just select F11 from your right hand side. You have to select the accounting features. From accounting feature menu, under outstanding management, you will find that maintain bill-wise detail. Here it must be yes. Maintain bill-wise detail must be yes to see the bill-wise report in your Tally ERP9 software. After that, whatever the ledger you are having for your debtors or creditor or for a particular group or for a particular ledger for which you want to see your bill-wise report, for such ledger you must have to alter under each of the ledger whether you want to maintain balance bill by bill or not. So I am selecting here yes, I have already selected. Whenever you are creating some new ledger or some new group and you want to see the bill wise detail for a particular ledger, then you must have to select at that ledger maintain balance bill by bill as a yes, otherwise you will not able to see the bill wise report for a particular ledger. Now whenever you are doing any entry for a particular ledger for which you want to see the bill wise detail, then you must have to write the bill number for your particular purchase or sales or whatever the entry. This is my purchase entry, this is my bill number, supplier invoice number, this is my reference number. So writing the bill number is primary requirement to view the bill wise report. So for each and every transaction you have to write the bill number. Suppose this is my bill number for my purchase transaction. Now I am making any payment to my creditor, then for such payment amount I will be asked against which bill you are going to make payment. So I have to select here against the particular list of bill against which I have paid the said amount. Friends, this is one more primary requirement for viewing the bill wise report. If you are making any error for selecting your bill, then you will not able to see the correct bill wise report in your Tally ERP9 software. Here there is an option for suppose you have received advance, then you can select advance. Here there is an option for against reference. Suppose you have received or paid any payment against particular bill number, then you have to select here against reference number. Friends, you have whenever enter your sales invoice or purchase invoice with bill, then whenever you are entering receipt or payment voucher, it will against under against reference you will find the list of the bill and you can select particular bill for your payment or receipt transaction. So in this way you can make the entry for your debtors or creditor or purchase or sales to see the bill wise detailed report. Now suppose you want to see the bill wise detailed report of your debtors, then just for example I am selecting in this debtors ledger. This is my sales invoice. You will find that I have write the bill number in my sales invoice. This is my payment received. You will find that under payment received I have selected my bill number against reference against which bill number I have received such amount. So now I am selecting here F8 related report menu. Again, when I am selecting related report menu, you will be asked to bill wise detail. Just select bill wise detail. Here you will find the ledger outstanding for your particular ledger for your selected period. This is the date, this is the reference number, this is your opening balance, this is the pending outstanding amount for a particular bill, this is the due date for your bill, and this is the overdue by which your payment is due. So in this way you can see the ledger outstanding bill wise in the Tally ARP9 software. Suppose you want to see the group wise related reports, then just press F8, select here bill wise detail. Now further select F7 bill wise. You will find that group outstanding for my sundry creditors for a particular party wise. This is my party wise as well as my bill wise group outstanding report. You can find here the date, bill number, party name, pending amount, due date and an overdue date. Suppose you are selecting here bill party wise, then you will be see your report in this manner. Same for example, this is my party Balt, this is his bill number for which the amount is outstanding. So in this way you can analyze your bill wise detail report in your Tally ARP9 software for a particular group. Suppose if you want to see the bill wise detail for your creditors group, then just go to the creditor group. Here this is my creditor group summary for a particular period. Now I am selecting here F8 related report. From F8 related report you have to select bill wise detail. Again when you select bill wise detail, this two menu will be activated. Just select F7 bill wise. Again when you select F7 you will find your bill wise outstanding amount appearing in your group outstanding menu. So this is the group outstanding window for your sundry creditors for goods. Suppose you want to see the reports in another manner, same for example bill party wise, then just select bill party wise. You will find your report in this manner. So in this way you can find out your bill wise outstanding for your particular group. What is the benefit for viewing this report? From this report you can find out your outstanding and also find out the bill wise overdue days